Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account and app state. This matters because stores match purchases to accounts. Open Worldbox and go to Settings or the Shop area now. Do not navigate away. Once there, tap Restore Purchases or Restore. If prompted, authenticate with your store password or fingerprint. This authorizes the store to verify entitlements. Make sure you're on the same Google, Apple, or Steam account that originally purchased the content, since mismatched accounts are the most common obstacle. Once you've initiated Restore, verify the store side to ensure the purchase shows in your history. This confirms the entitlement exists. On Android and iOS, check purchase records. On Steam, review your licenses. If Worldbox still doesn't unlock, force a sync. Sign out of the game, reboot the device, sign back into the same store account, and tap Restore again. This sequence clears temporary auth tokens and often resolves hanging restores. If you used a different device, make sure cloud saves are enabled, but finish by confirming unlocked content appears in the game. Check items, skins, or premium menu. If it's still missing, reinstall Worldbox after backing up saves, then run Restore immediately on first launch to avoid local cache conflicts. If problems persist, prepare your receipt and order ID, then contact the store or developer with device details and timestamps. They can manually grant entitlements. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi or switch networks. Network routing issues often block verification requests, and a different network can clear the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.